Welcome to my High School World History Canvas course. This is the homepage students see that introduces myself with a few pieces of contact information. It also describes that this course satisfies 2 required credits towards the Indiana High School Diploma and what the scope of the course is, as there are several other world history courses in Indiana. I have also included a link to the digital textbook for students. This link also allows them to access textual content as well as interactive media for each lesson. I also included a link to the Indiana Department of Education that identifies the content standards for this course. This next section explains a brief overview of how the course is designed. The textbook calls each chapter a topic that is broken into sections. I have divided the sections into mini lessons that are structured for a traditional 45-minute class. Each mini lesson has a Google slide presentation that is numbered and titled like the textbook for students to easily reference. Each mini lesson summarizes the content and supplements it with images, videos, and outside links. There are usually 1 to 2 different activities included in each mini lesson that reinforces student understanding. Each lesson ends with an assignment that varies in format. For example, these could be Google Forms of guided reading with responses, Canva quizzes, digital worksheets, Edpuzzle videos, classroom discussions, etc. These assignments are also accessible to students in the Canvas Assignments tab or in the Modules tab after each mini lesson posting. Some mini lessons also have daily notes, summarized at the end of the presentation for students to copy into their notebooks. Students are allowed to use these notebooks on topic exams and the semester final. Some mini lessons are also available in video format. I make these when I expect to be absent ahead of time, since I may not be available for student questions that day. My long-term goal is to have a video for each mini lesson. Each topic has a review day in which all the mini lessons are linked for student review so that students can make sure they've captured all the daily notes and finish all the topic assignments. In these Google slide presentations, I've also included a summary guide from the textbook. I typically also launch a Pear Deck session to ask students random questions as a review practice. On exam day, the Google slide presentation reminds students to have their notebooks ready and identifies the specific content. When students are finished with the exam, the presentation also includes a summary of the upcoming topic lessons. The content on this homepage covers the first grading period and will be updated as needed. When students click on the Modules tab, it is structured in the same way that the homepage content is, but here I've also included assignment that accompanies each mini lesson. The module also identifies prerequisites. The quizzes and assignment tabs are another way for students to access the same graded portions that are identified in the homepage and the modules.